All right, Rob Frazier here. This video, how to get signups using content, how to get affiliate marketing signups, network marketing signups, ClickBank, whatever it is you're promoting, crypto deals, whatever it is you're promoting. This is how to get signups using content. Very simple. So this right here is part of my ongoing video series. I'm gonna have a link to it in the description, and I might put a link above in the card, the little thing that comes up on top of the video. Anyway, two places that I go to learn how to create content, keyword tools that I use to create that content to find what people are looking for so I can create content so they can come across my content and join me in my businesses or programs or use my traffic sources, are Wealthy Affiliate and the Power Lead System. So first off, Wealthy Affiliate, it is a blogging centered platform. However, you can use the keyword tools that you get with an active membership to Wealthy Affiliate to search for keywords to go after with low competition that you can rank for, that you can get traffic from. I know I said a mouthful, but basically they have tools that you can use to find out what people are searching for, what keywords people are looking for, so that way you can create content centered around those keywords so people come across your information. And Wealthy Affiliate, again, it is centered around blogging, but I use this for my own personal YouTube channel. I got, I don't know, 1,100 videos on my YouTube, and some of those videos I have made following this strategy, just finding out what people are looking for. I create videos, people come past those videos, they come across my channel, blah, 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 join me in business, so on and so forth. So Wealthy Affiliate, again, it is blogging centered, but when you join, you create an account, you become active, you can get access to those tools, go through the training. It has a very good training put together to take you from scratch, zero, nothing, to knowing what you're doing. So again, I used it to my own strategy blog. I have a couple there. This is my free Google that I blog on every now and again. But again, I use most of these keywords on my YouTube channel, but Wealthy Affiliate's a place that I go to for that. And another place is Power Lead System. They have created YouTube shorts that you can get as a gold for free. Well, you join, you create a gold membership, then you get access to the Power Lead System shorts. And basically, you create an active account, you go market, you come down here, you click on video shorts. Those video shorts, you can download, edit, change, put your spin on them, put your website on them, and upload them to YouTube, Instagram Reels, Facebook's Reels, or Instagram Reels stories, Facebook Reels stories, TikTok, Pinterest, Idea Pins. There's a lot of places that are into the video shorts, and this is a place that you can get some if you don't want to make your own, or if you just want some that, you know, that rough lump of clay that you can just take and make your own. Because in my case, when I'm making YouTube shorts, sometimes I hit a brick wall, then I'll go through these video shorts and be like, I want to use that one. Then I'll put like a call to action at the end. I'll put my video link, I put my capture page in there, and then I'll just upload it, and then that way I don't have to beat my head up against the wall trying to create content. So just a couple different places, not to mention a lot of the training you get within these both of these platforms, Wealthy Affiliate and Power Lead System, is basic, not basic, it's general evergreen marketing information that you could just take all of that information, put it into your own words, and create content for years. So that's another option as well. So that being said, wrapping this video up, just a short one. This one's going to go into my video series, how to get signups, because that's what I do. I learn something. I learn a short little, okay, that makes sense. I'll take it. I'll make a video short. I'll make a video. I'll make a blog. I'll email that to my list, and I'll just keep it moving. And every single day I learn something new. I apply it. I document it. Basically, I create a video short, and then I share it on all my social medias, and that's a great way to get ongoing traffic. And I don't know what's been going on lately, but I've been getting a ton of more leads from my YouTube than anything else, than from my paid, well, not as much as paid traffic, but a lot more leads from YouTube. and various other video shorts because I started just cranking out the content. So that being said, wrapping this video up, those are two places. Underneath this video, I'm gonna have a link to a page that's going to go into more detail on Wealthy Affiliate and the Power Lead system. Power Lead system you can use for any business. You can use the Cash Now funnel to build your email list, make money, and then email that list anything else you want. And I do the same thing with my whole lead sleep strategy. So if you're watching this video in the series, go back to video 1. Everything I shared in here goes back to that video. Like all of the traffic that I get here, it all gets rerouted through my traffic plan. And what I do is what I share. And it's what's working. So that being said, wrapping this video up, information's below. We'll see you then. Peace.